Alright, today I'm super excited because today I actually received this. And the reason I'm excited is not because I actually received this, it's because I really don't know what it is. I mean, sure, I know it's crypto related. Obviously, I'm waiting for a few things that are crypto related. I just don't know what this exactly is and why the box is so big. So today, I'm gonna unbox this with you. It says fragile. Maybe shaking it wasn't such a good idea. All right, let's get this bad boy open. That's better. Ooh, this looks good and fragile. From Ellipal. Okay, I think I know what this is, but why is this box so big? Ah, there's some stuff in here. Ew. Oh, this is so cool. All right, check this out. I actually got a gift box. There's like stuff in here. This is awesome. Let me see what this is. All right, I got this card here. It says you can for sport. You can successful for sport, or you can be successful for sport. It doesn't have anything on the back here, but that's the front. To the crypto factor, best channel on crypto in the whole wide world. Signed, Ellipal. That's better. All right, let's get to it. First of all, I get some socks. These are really cool socks. I bet you my girlfriend steals these. Does your girlfriend steal socks? Do your girlfriend steal socks? Girls out there, why do you take a guy's socks? Anyway, these are small socks, so I guess my girlfriend can wear these. There's a bag. There's a cool bag here. Oh, look, there's a smiley face on the bag. I love it. I love it. It's bold like me. There's a bag, but there's something in the bag. There's a plate. Oh, a frisbee! It's a... Piesto. Pina. Pina. Yeah, piesto. 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 Ne. Ne. It's a frisbee. This is gonna start playing with it in a couple of days when he gets used to it. He's not sure. That's good boy. Being cuts. There's this box, but I want to see what's in this bag. I want to see what's in this bag first. There's a spare part for the bag. There's an accessory to put it on your shoulder. My girlfriend's gonna love this bag, by the way. This is a really cool color. I love the blue. Ooh, I'm not gonna show you this yet. I'm gonna show you this in a bit. First, I want to see what this is. Something looks like a dildo. Oh shit, my girlfriend actually wanted one of these for the gym. Check this out. You can. And it's a can. Well, it's not a can, it's like a water bottle. This is awesome. That just almost poked my eye out. Is it thermal? It has to be thermal. Yeah, it's got the protein. This is cool because if you have protein, you mix it up, all the protein powder kind of comes to your mouth. It's disgusting, but this kind of stops it. Or you can make tea in it. This is cool. My girlfriend's gonna love this. As a matter of fact, I don't think I'm gonna give this to my girlfriend. I think I'm just gonna keep this as a secret. All right, and now for the cool stuff. This is the Ellipal Titan 2. And what this is an air-gapped hard wallet. And I wanted another hard wallet ever since everything happened with Ledger, with all the rumors. Even though I have the Ledger Nano S, it's apparently a bit safer, doesn't have a lot of room though. This will actually come in handy. Look at that. Look at this. Now, we did a video on Ellipal wallets not too long ago. I guess this is the update. This is so cool. This looks beautiful. This is the updated version. And what you get in the box, you get that. You get this. You get a seed phrase thing. Does this open? Tell me this opens up. No. I don't believe it does. It can't. It looks like it might though. No, it doesn't open. It doesn't open up. Okay, unless you break it open. But there is a cool ass charger here. Look, check this out. This is how you charge, just like a phone. It has a stand. Oh my god, this is awesome for my desk. This looks so cool. Get a little memory card and a really cool high quality charger here. This is pretty awesome. I can't wait to get this pumped up because last time I actually gave away all my Titans and Titan minis, and now I actually have a Titan 2.0, which is probably an upgraded version of the last one. So this one, I'm not gonna give it away. I'm just gonna keep it for me. So this is awesome. I'm gonna review this pretty soon. I just want to do the unboxing. I wanted to make sure what this is first, and I'm glad I did it. So yeah, stay tuned for an update video of the Ellipal 2.0. I'm going to start using this myself so I can tell you exactly what I think of it. By the way, if you want one of these or a previous version, go to my website, cryptofactor.net/affiliates, and in there you can see the hard wallet section, which this is in. Now, if you want to see my video on the Ellipal hard wallets, you can watch this video right here. Or if you want to see the giveaway I did around Glyfada in Greece, I just went around giving gifts from my own pocket, check out this video right here. It's very funny, I'll tell you that.